I think it's pretty sad because people have been so brainwashed by society, by school, by our teachers, by everyone really, that we have to do something we hate just to make money. Like a passion is something that it's a hobby. You can't really make money from it. What if I told you that some people make $20,000 a month with a community teaching other people how to become better at CSGO? You can look it up if you don't believe me. On School, there is a pickleball community making over 30K per month. There's another community teaching people how to dance. They're making 65 grand a month teaching people salsa. There's gardening communities. There's how to make money online communities. There's how to become better speakers, how to improve your mindset, how to do AI stuff. There's so many different things. So whatever your passion is, you can monetize it. A few years ago, I might have told you, don't follow your passion, just pick a business model to make money, but I came to realize that this isn't necessary. I made that mistake myself a while ago. Back around 2022, I was selling services online, helping agency owners, coaches, consultants to increase their sales by simply booking more sales calls because they're selling high ticket. So, for someone to spend between $1,000 all the way to $10,000 plus with you, it's easier to sell on a call. Like, good luck trying to sell a 10K package just on a sales page with a button to buy it. It's not gonna work. So one way that these businesses could increase their income is by booking more sales calls. So that's what I was helping people to do. But the truth is, ever since I was 11, 12 years old, I typed how to get rich on YouTube and I found videos of people explaining how they were making 50K to 80K plus per month. So that's $1 million a year selling digital products, online courses. And it was all automated. They didn't have to take sales calls or do anything they didn't fucking like. They just made content on YouTube, for example, and talked about the things they loved, the things they were doing, and they made all that money. And I always knew this was the best business model ever. But in 2022, I fell for all the bullshit people tell you online. I didn't follow my passion. And I thought I had nothing to teach to others at the time, when in reality, I could have shared my love for health and fitness. I could have helped people to learn English. I am not a native English speaker. Am I the best English speaker in the world? No, but I'm self-taught. I learned English completely on my own. I never had a teacher. I did the same thing for Spanish after that. So probably like me a few years ago, right now you have a passion. You've got knowledge or expertise in any area or simply an interest in something that you could actually monetize and monetize very well. I'm talking 6-7 figures a year. Also, let's be honest, dropshipping is absolutely not crisis-proof. I mean, we all saw what happened during COVID and the recent lockdowns. Dropshipping stores just fucking died because people couldn't receive their products. So everybody did refunds, chargebacks, all this shit. Oh my god, for dropshippers it wasn't fun. However, for course sellers, oh, it was the best time ever because everybody was stuck at home. So guess what? Everybody was on the internet. So now when you posted content, it blew up super easily because so many more people were consuming content every day. Tons of entrepreneurs I know, they 10x their sales during COVID because people were online. And you know what's the funniest part? Even though nowadays we are no longer under lockdown, people can just go outside and live as before the lockdowns, they're still consuming social media content more than before the lockdowns. Why? Because people got into the habit of spending more time online. There's literally billions of people visiting every social media platform every single month. Do you really not think you can't get a piece of that pie for yourself? You absolutely can. There's nothing stopping you, in fact. There's no law in this universe that tells you you can't. Your brain is telling you that you can't. But I promise you, if you listen to it, you'll not only stay broke, but you will be miserable. I grew up in the low middle class. My father was a nurse. He hated his job. I saw him every day just so depressed. And then at home every day, the mood would be horrible, so negative. Because when one person hates what they do every day, and I mean, work is the thing that we spend most of our time doing, right? For most people, it's 8 hours a day. So imagine spending the rest of your life working 8 hours a day, doing something you hate. You make between $2,000 to $4,000 a month if you're lucky. Like in Europe, making $4,000 a month is actually a lot. And then you're just basically eagerly waiting for the weekend, dreading every Monday morning. Every single day you spend hours stuck in traffic. And you have to beg your boss to get your 2 weeks of vacations on the exact dates you want them. And you're desperately waiting for retirement so that one day when you're old and exhausted and burnt out from so many years of slave labor, now you can finally enjoy your life. But nothing is ever certain. You can't guarantee me that you're going to reach the age of retirement. And even if you tell me, oh, but it's so unlikely that I'll die before I retire, yeah, it is unlikely. But can you guarantee it's not gonna happen? Absolutely not. And what's more realistic than dying, it's just being so old that you can't do shit because you're sick, for example. Because your back hurts so much, now you can't go mountain climbing like you always wanted to. The worst thing you can do is say, I will suffer now, slave away my whole life for a boss who is living his dreams. He's not that stupid. He's not clocking in at 9, clocking out at 5. He barely even works, in fact. And he makes a million more times the money that you do. So don't fucking wait until you almost die to live the life you want. When nowadays there are people making 20k per month teaching others how to be better at CSGO, you can do anything. And typically playing video games all day is a bad habit, but if you make 20k a month doing it, it is a career. Like the shift from bad habit to good habit is if you make money from it. It's pretty insane. So I will leave you on this question. Would you rather try to compete with every other retard trying to resell fucking fidget spinners or rose bears for $2 profit on your cute little Shopify store? Or would you rather make 6, even 7 figures sharing your passion with the world? There's a guy on Skull making $10,000 a month just showing people how he paints. You have no excuse anymore not to get started. I'm super excited because 2026 is the best year to make money online, to be free, to say fuck it to the 9-to-5 bullshit. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.